What's up, everybody? I'm Miles.
And I'm not Miles.
And today, we're going to be doing the Ride the Diamondback with no seatbelt 3 p.m. challenge.
At 3 p.m.
Yep. So, this is a really dangerous challenge, and I just don't try this at home. We're the first people to ever do this, ever. And just wish us luck, alright? Guys, we're about to get on the roller coaster right now. I can't wait for this. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Miles, bro, you just died, bro. This is epic, bro.
I just got off the roller coaster. Miles didn't make it, unfortunately. Don't try this at home. It's really dangerous. But if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring that bell to see notifications for my next video. See ya.